Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and we are checking out the ELECHELF portable blender. This thing is absolutely fantastic. It's super stylish, super convenient, and it's gonna fit all of your needs to make your shakes and blend your smoothies on the go. So right now in here, again, this is a food safe, really high quality container. It's super easy to clean. I will show you guys all of that. But first, let's get started. This is a smoothie that I just made, and I'll show you guys the process on screen. I just have some pineapple, mango, banana, and a little bit of almond milk. So a healthy, delicious, almost like a pina colada, absolutely amazing. Only takes a few seconds to blend with the ELECHELF, and you can do this from anywhere, because again, totally cordless and portable. And it's delicious. I love that this blender, the actual blades are still right in here, so you can take this with you. You can blend things fresh at work, at the gym, on the go, you know, on a road trip, anything like that. It comes with a straw, and if you don't want to use the straw, you just have the lid itself. You can drink directly out of there. It snaps down. You're good for on the go. Either way, great options, absolutely delicious. So as far as accessories go, you're going to get the cup, the blades itself, and I'll show you guys that. There are 8 blades. It's super sharp, it's super fast. I'm gonna show you guys all of that on screen, and it's actually rather quiet too. So if you need to do this, you know, at the gym or at your office, somewhere where you don't want to be super disruptive, this is a great blender that is high powered. 8 really sharp blades can get the job done, but it's not going to be super disruptive or super loud. And again, it's built for on the go. There's straps, there's a closing lid. You are good for no matter where you're going to take this. You want to fill no more than up to the max filled line with your, you know, your fruits, your vegetables, your protein powder, whatever it might be. There's so many different things that you can experiment with. And then you're gonna want to add either water, milk, almond milk, get creative, fruit juice, you know, whatever it might be. It comes with an instruction manual that is in clear English, super easy to understand. You also get your charging cable. It's a USB-C charger, so really easy to charge from anywhere, and you're gonna charge it right here, super easy. That's also where your on-off button is. So you really only have like one button, super easy to use. Do a long press and you're blending, you're good. So I have my smoothie in here that I made. Absolutely amazing. And you guys, for reference, this was frozen fruit. It's been frozen for a while, really hard, and this blender with its 8 blades just cut right through that. So you know that it's going to do a great job for you. I also have a protein shake right here. I'll show you guys making that on screen. All I did for this was add some ice, some of my favorite protein powder in flavor coffee with a shot of espresso and just a splash of almond milk. So this is gonna be like my morning coffee. Delicious, but also a protein shake, so it's a little more filling, gonna get you going for the day, keep you from being hungry, but also it has that coffee and caffeine, and it tastes absolutely delicious. And you can do this all with the ELECHELF, whether you're doing smoothies, or whether you're doing shakes, or whether you're experimenting with your own amazing concoction to keep you healthy, keep you active, and keep you on the go. ELECHELF is absolutely perfect for that. It's also super easy to clean because all you have to do is just add some water and run the cycle again, and it will clean out the middle base for you. It's also able to remove completely from this entire thing. I'll show you guys that on screen, so you can get everything nice and clean really easily. Overall, I'm really impressed with ELECHELF. I'm so impressed with how it cut through frozen fruit to make this super thick, creamy, delicious smoothie. Totally amazing. makes your favorite shakes. And basically, you guys, I have breakfast now. So thank you, ELECHELF. It's stylish, it's attractive, it's amazing for on the go. The battery lasts forever. It's super easy to charge, it's super easy to clean. You have a straw, or you just have the lid option. Everything is food safe, everything is high quality. It's super cute, super easy, super fun, and you can make some really awesome stuff with it. So definitely, you guys, check out ELECHELF. You will be so glad you did. Adios, amigos.